Hey guys, this is MAA tutorial, and today I want to tell you how to export one frame render ambient occlusion or animated ambient occlusion render and wireframe also in Arnold. Okay, so let's start what we can do. First of all, open your Maya. I have Autodesk Maya 2020, and you can see we have option Arnold also. Let's start. First of all, open your model. Okay, I have one model house. Okay, so you can see I created it yesterday just for show, just for this tutorial how to export. Okay, you can see this is set modeling, and we are going to render ambient occlusion. So first of all, if you want to one frame ambient occlusion, then it will be easy. How? I will show you. And one frame wireframe also, how to export. Okay, just see and practice on it. You can do in one time, I believe that. Okay, just click on Arnold render. Okay, you can get Arnold render view, and you will see there is nothing, everything is black. So you are thinking why? Because we know without lighting we can't render anything in Arnold. That's why. And I want to say you something. Like if you need to ambient occlusion or wireframe, we don't need light, any type of light. So I just show you how to render an ambient occlusion. So just open Arnold render view and click on render, and you can see like either shading, and there are more option: basic, lighting, ambient occlusion, wireframe, normal, UV, and so on. So you just need for occlusion render, click on occlusion. Yeah, you can get, and just click on render button. Okay, you can see here we got ambient occlusion, just a set of frame. We need a camera, create and camera. Okay, just click on panels and perspective camera, and just scroll down and set the camera. Okay, and open the frame. Okay, just this type of frame. Okay, and just click on select camera and lock everything. Okay, just click on perspective view and open render view, and here change, you can change the camera option, perspective and camera shape 1, and click on render button. Okay, you can see this result. This is ambient occlusion for wireframe. Okay, if you want to increase the resolution of this click on view and test resolution, and after that 200. It is depend on render setting. I will just show you how to set the render setting also. Okay, you can see this is a 200 multiply resolution, like it's exactly 1920 by 1080 output. Okay, and we need to like some more blackest area, grayest area, more depth. Just we can do also this. Just click on window and checker on the display setting, and increase the gamma value. Okay, if 0.8, and click on the render button, you can see something different. Okay, if we are something more depth, 0.5, and enter, and then render button. Okay, you can see the like exactly ambient occlusion we got it. Okay, you can change from BZ color also if you want to, except of black, you can change the color also from here. Okay, enable FZ also option, we will show you on after that. And another setting for rendering, you will see like same save image option. Okay, so if you are going to save image this, okay, you can save this, but you can't get this with this gamma value. You just got this value. Okay, if we are going to consider this gamma value in our output, so just click on file, save image option, and here use display setting and click on. Okay, then you will get the render with gamma value. And after that, you we got this result. And how to save this, just click on file and save image. Save image, you can write down ambient occlusion. Okay, and this will go save in jpg, png, target, tiff, and exr dot dot dot. Okay, you can open from any other software. If you want to save this in multi-XR file, you can click on file and save in multi-layer XR. Okay, and another option, save final image also, and export Arnold scene. If you want to export this whole Arnold scene, you can save it on Arnold on format .ashs. Okay, you can save easily. It is just for one frame render. If you want to wireframe also, then click on shading and click on wireframe and render button. You can see like it is wireframe. If you want to increase the gamma value, click just for select and click on one. This is wireframe render. Okay, you can use exposure also. If you want to exposure, it is depend on you. If you want to use, you can use this. And it is clear, so we will go another option. Okay, if you want to facing any problem, then please comment me, I will help you. Okay, so let's start for animated. Like it was one frame render. I think it will be easy for you. Just click on render an option, just click on render and shading occlusion, just click on and save from here. Okay, if you want to more increase more resolution, just click on render setting, and here you can the resolution, get the resolution. You can increase the resolution. What do you want, like HD 720 1080, every anything, or you can use custom also. And just click on camera. So I think you got it, what I want to show you. Okay, one frame render is clear, I think. Okay, so start the animated ambient occlusion, how to set render setup layer and how to export. Okay, so let's start. How to that, first you have to animated everything. Okay, I want to show you in time lapse how to set the animation keys.
can see we just animated this all thing and just show the animation output.
Okay, just click on right click on keyframes and set the playback speed real time, and just click on the play button. Yeah, you can see the breakdown. Okay, just animated that, and we need to just this type of animated or ambient occlusion. So what will I do? Just click on, first of all, just click on this thing. So just we just start how to set the layers and everything on render setup layer. You can see the icon. This is render setup layer. Okay, so just you need to do like just open this window render setup, and you can see like this type of options, and you need to do know anything and other things like if you want to change in render setting something, click on setting. Okay, it is not using, I think, just for ambient occlusion you will just need to click on this button, like this is a create a render layer. Rename it will be ambient occlusion. Okay, ambient occlusion. Just create a layer. Okay, got it. Then just click on create collection. Okay, please be careful. Create collection, and just we can like write anything, rename like house AO, the shortcut ambient occlusion. So ambient occlusion. Okay, got it. If you are click on this collections, you can see like this is options, collection filters, and add to collections and all thing. Add override, absolute, relative, another thing. You just need to click on add. Okay, if you are click on add, then it will be nothing add. Okay, so you just need to open the outliner and click on all thing which you are going to add in this collection. Okay, just select all model. If you have, if anything, like if you have lighting also in this scene, so deselect that, only select on polygon models. Okay, because of ambient occlusion only needs models, not use lighting or all other things. Just click on this thing and click on add. You can see like there are the models like these stairs, house grab, windows mirror to one stairs and all thing. Everything is selected in this layer. Do next, just click on right click and create material override. Okay, be careful. Ambient occlusion, create collection. After create collection, select everything which you need to show in your ambient occlusion, and just click on create collection, create material override. Material override, and you can rename that ambient occlusion also. Okay, and just click on this check icon over material overview, click and just click on Arnold, and just scroll down and you get AI ambient occlusion. Just click on it. Okay, like this is the setup. Like set the one layer at this, it is only for ambient occlusion, nothing else. Okay, just for this, and we are going to set the app now, wireframe also. So click render setup layer, and just write down wireframe, and click on create collection. Everything same, WF. Okay, then after that select objects. Okay, and add that in this layer. Okay, then click same thing, create material override, and after that rename it. Okay, just click on icon, just change one thing, click on undo same, just one thing, we were using ambient occlusion, but here in wireframe we are not going to using ambient occlusion. We just scroll down and see AI wireframe. We just select this AI wireframe. Okay, just click on it. We set two layers, one ambient occlusion, second wireframe. Okay, just cut it and open render setting, set your camera, any everything what you want to set, and Maya software, just click on Arnold render. Okay, everything now I think everything is set. Just you can Arnold settle, everything is set. Just open render view. Okay, click on it, nothing. Just click on again render setup layer and open this collection. Okay, just you can see like this is eye button, eye icon, like it is not visible. If you want click on this, now this is visible. You can see the changes of thing. Okay, now eye is visible. Now ambient occlusion is visible, wireframe is not visible. Just we need to one by one. First ambient occlusion, so on this icon, not this. Okay, and now you can see, just click on it. Yeah, okay, just select option like change the camera view, camera, and now you can see the ambient occlusion. And just we need, if we need wireframe, just eye invisible and click on wireframe. And now you can see, click on it, this is wireframe. There another option also, if you want to like this is triangles, if you want to quads, there option also. Just click on a render setup, wireframe, and wireframe also collections. Okay, click on it and you can get this attribute editor, where you can change the polygons patches. If you want to polygon, you can change polygon. Like if you want to change the color also of a wireframe, you can change from here. Line width also, everything, if you want to change anything. So just click on again. Yeah, you can see the polygons. Okay, in wireframe, just click on 2. Okay, click on it. And if we want to render this is one frame render also. But if you need to render a whole animated scene, so just click on after that click on modeling and choose the rendering, and open render settings, and here render sequence. Okay, just click on render sequence, camera, current cam, select your camera, what do you want to render, and alternate. Here this is your output folder. Okay, and after that just select on render sequence. Okay, yeah, just got one frame, but we need to change in setting also. Like you can see, we just render one frame, single frame. From here we just need it change, and dot like change the name hatch.ext, and then you can see the start frame range, and start your one frame from here, and last frame is 50. Okay, like this is setup. And now click on and render sequence. You can see like how I animated that, and everything is going to render now, frame by frame. Okay, just use time lapse for fast. Yeah, now completed, everything is rendered. I just show you in the file where is connect rendered. Okay, just click on this file folder. You can see ambient occlusion. You get ambient occlusion whole file, like it is created automatic created ambient occlusion folder. Okay, then we need to render a wireframe. So just click on this visibilities wireframe, and same thing, just click on this. Okay, select folder and just click on render sequence. You can see the wireframe. Just use time lapse for decrease the video length. Okay, now you can see the output of wireframe, and if you want to see the folder, you can see wireframe and ambient occlusion, like it created on folder wireframe, another, and another ambient occlusion. So just as you can see, we just rendered everything in these layers, different layers. If you need any other thing ambient occlusion, like if you need something like beauty passes, you can like create collection also. I will just show you beauty passes in the next videos easily. If you need to render one frame ambient occlusion, just click on Arnold. From here, save image. If you need to animated ambient occlusion, we just need to set the set up layers, and that uh, then you can get the result what do you want. Okay, so thank you. I hope you like it, so please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, and thank you.